What is interesting and unique about this topic and the issue of human scale within societal organizations is not the fact that specific authors cite that without organization, government, life would be chaotic at best. It is that virtually everyone seems to recognize that fact and accepts its existence essentially on an a priori basis. The recognition of organization versus chaos is stated consistently by almost every observer of the human condition and from almost, if not all, branches of study, including history, psychology, anthropology, etc. A question could be, just because everyone states that fact, is it indeed true? Has it been physically or socially observed? Are there living or past examples of societies without governmental organization? And if so, where or who are they? And did those organizations follow the claims relative to chaos? This is not to challenge the observation directly, only to challenge the backup for continuously asserting it in the first place. Now, one possible answer and an observable and provable phenomena is made by author Christopher Sedan in his overview of the development of human society, humans from the first apes to the first cities. Paraphrasing, he states that from observing the organizations of other reasonably closely related species, their behavior is not that far removed from ours, in the sense that both societies reward those that get closer to the top of the hierarchy of the organization. By his definition, the philosophy of Aristotle, as noted by Dr. Don Livingston in his video about political scale in the ancient world, is validated at least as relative formation of governments as a natural consequence of our natures. The two issues are related. The issue at the time, as it is now, is how to determine what the scale of those efforts should be, and how does the scale of organizations, particularly governments, affect their ability to accomplish their goals and objectives. One answer to that ever-present question could be check the results. If they are working and people are generally satisfied, the scale could be considered appropriate. If not, it may need to be adjusted in some manner, either larger or smaller. Another observation made by authors Newcomb, Turner, and Converse in their book Social Psychology, which is a study of human interaction, is that they summarize relative to the increasing size of any organization. And basically they state that having larger organizations increase resources for problem solving, but conversely also lower the satisfaction on the part of some group members and lessen the unity on the part of the total group. That observation could be said to apply across a wide range of human organization and activities. Another factor in this mix of scale issues is the use of and availability of technology, as it affects the ability to effectively communicate with populations, particularly to assess the effectiveness of government and its role within the community. As time progressed, this capability was continuously enhanced, thus allowing for ever larger populations to successfully interact and provide an effective society and group. However, in summary, I have to conclude that this issue of the appropriate scale and humanity of any organization is open, and it's a continuing and open-ended question, which will change and evolve with the changes we have yet to experience. Thank you for your attention